In the heart of a never-been sea lies an island wild and free, between Martinique and Guadeloupe, a gem where the mountains meet the sea, with rainforests lush and rivers clear, Mont-Trois-Piton standing near, boiling lake and champagne reef. Dominica, the nature lovers believe. Dominica, our beauty, our love splendor, from Roseau to the Dominica shores, with every waterfall, you leave us in awe. Oh, Dominica, we love you more and more and more. Creole culture rich and deep, friendly smiles and rhythm steep, bananas, cocoa, coffee sweet, in every corner history we meet, emerald pools and black sand bays, whale songs that fill our days. In Dominica, the nature's call echoes through the mountains tall. Dominica, our beauty, our love splendor, from Roseau to the Dominica shores, with every waterfall, you leave us in awe. Oh, Dominica, we love you more and more. Dominica, our beauty, our love splendor, from Roseau to the Dominica shores, with every waterfall, you leave us in awe. Oh, Dominica, we love you more and more. Creole culture rich and deep, friendly smiles and rhythm steep, bananas, cocoa, coffee sweet, in every